Welcome to Home of Math, where we simplify GED Math step by step. Let's make math easy together. Today's topics: exponent, roots, and properties of number. Our first question: which is the same as 5.5.5 etc. So what will be the answer? Look, here is 9.5, 5.9, 5 to the power 9 and 9 to the power 5. So we know the number of factors is the power. So look, here is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here is 9 factors and this is a power. So base is 5 and power is 9 because here is 9 factor. So our answer is C, 5 to the power 9. Okay, look, rewrite 7 to the power 3 as a repeated multiplication. We know the power is the number of factors. So here is 7 to the power 3. It means the power is number of factor. Power, how many power? Look, here is power is 3 and base is 7. So our answer should be, we can simplify here, the power is the number of factors. Okay, hope you understand this one. Now next one, rewrite 2.2.2.2 with an exponent. This is also same, the number of factors is the power. So here factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is a exponent or power and base is 2. So our answer will be 2 to the power 5. Okay, hope you understand. Next, compute 4 to the power 3. 4 to the power 3 means here is exponent is 3, base is 4. So the power is the number of factors. So we can write 4 into 4 into 4. This is 16 and 4. So 64 is our answer, number C. Then 5. Which number is the base in the expression? Here is 8.3 to the power 6. Look, so which number is the base? So here is base is 3. So number A. Okay. Compute 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3, it means 5 into 5 into 5. It means 5 times 5 means 25. 25 times 5 means 125. So answer is 125. Okay. Next, which expressions is equivalent to 9 to the power 5 times 9 to the power 3? So look, here is base is 9. Okay, so for multiplication we know power will be 8. So 5 plus 3, it become 9 to the power 8. So where is 9 to the power 8? Number D is a 9 to the power 8. Okay. Next, which expressions is equivalent to 4 to the power 6 times 2 to the power 6? So what is our answer? Look, here power is the same. We know a to the power b and c to the power b. We can write a to the power c to the power b. Okay, a to the power b, c to the power b. We can multiply a into c because power are same. So here is also same thing, 4 into 2 to the power 6. It means 8 to the power 6. Our answer 8 to the power 6. Number 9. Which expressions is equivalent to 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 7? Now look, here is 2 power is 5, 3 power is 5. We know m to the power a into n to the power a. It means m into a m into n to the power a. Same thing we can write 2 into 3 to the power 6, and here is 6 to the power 7. So what can we do? Look, here is not 6, here is 5. Okay, here is 5. So 2 times 3 means 6, and here is 5, and here is 6 to the power 7. So look, here is also base same. So once base same, for multiplication power will be add. So 5 plus 7, it means 6 to the power 12. So our answer is number A, 6 to the power 12. Okay, simplify. Here is 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 2, 7 to the power 5. Same thing, once base are same, that time for multiplication power will be add. So 7, 3 plus 2 plus 5, it means 7 to the power 10. Answer is number B. Okay, number 11, simplify. 2 to the power 3, 4 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. So what will be the answer? Look, here is 2, 4, 5. Among all number, power is 3. So 2 into 4 into 5 to the power 3. 2 times 4 it means 8. 8 times 5 means 40, and power is 3. So our answer is number C. Okay, look, what is the 12 to the power 0? 12 to the power 0. Look, we know any non-zero number to the 0 power is 1. So 12 to the power 0 or any kinds of number which one is non-zero, the power will be 0, become what? 1. Okay, number B. Now number 13, simplify. 5 to the power 3 to the power 4. We know m to the power n to the power a, it means m to the power n into a. It means 5, 3 into 4, it means 5 to the power 12. So answer is number D, 5 to the power 12. What is the 12 to the power 1? Look, we know, we can write here, any number to the first power is that number. So what does mean? First power is 1, that time that number is a what? Any number to the first power is that number. So that number means here is 12 power 1, first power is 1. So answer is that number, it means 12. So 13 to the power 1, 14 to the power 1, 16 to the power 1, everything the result is 13, 14 and 16. Okay, look, simplify. 3 times 3 to the power 9. So what will be the answer? Look, here is 3 into 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power nothing means 3 to the power 1, and here is 3 to the power 3. Here the base are same, so 3 power will be at for multiplication. So 1 plus 3, it means 3 to the power 4. Our answer is number B, 3 to the power 4. Okay, now number 16, simplify 6 to the power 5 into 6 to the power 2 to the power 3. What will be the answer? Look, this one is 6 to the power 5, we can write here, into 6 to the power 2 to the power 3, we can write 6 to the power 6. Why? We know m to the power n to the power a, it means m to the power n into a. So 2 into 3 means 6, and look, here is also base are same, so base is same, power will be at 5 plus 6. Our answer is 6 to the power 11. So our answer is what? 6 to the power 11, number A. Number 17, here is 3 to the power 5 to the power 8 times 3 to the power 4 to the power 3. So same thing, this 2 to the power 5 to the power 2, we can write 3 to the power 10, or we can simplify like this, 5 into 2, and here is 3, 4 into 3. So it will become 3 to the power 10, and this one become 3 to the power 12, and base are same, power will be at 10 plus 12. It means 3 to the power 22. Okay, so this answer is number D, 3 to the power 22. 18, simplify 5 to the power minus 2. So hope you have idea about negative exponent. We know a to the power minus n, it means 1 by a to the power n. So here is n means 2, so we can write like this, 5 to the power minus 2, 1 by 5 square. So our answer is 1 by 25. So number A. Okay, here is also same thing, number 19. So here is 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power minus 3 to the power minus 2 to the power 2. So this one we can write 2 to the power minus 3 into 2, 3 into 2. It means what? 2 to the power minus 6 as per negative exponent like this. So we can write 1 by 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means 1 by what? 64, because 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and this one is 4, 8, 16, 32 and 32 times 2 means 64. So our answer is 1 by 64, number C. Okay, now number 20, rewrite 5 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 4. So this one we can write what? 5 to the power minus 2 into minus 4. It means 5 to the power minus and minus become plus, 2 times 4 means 8. So our answer is 5 to the power 8. Okay, now compute 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5, look, this one is, here is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, again 10. It means 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So this is our answer. So this one 10 to the, we can write like this, 10 to the fifth is 1 followed by 5, 0. Okay, so here is 1 and we can write 5, 0 because power is 5. So look, what is the 1 to the power 7? So 1 to the power 7 is 1 because 1 to any power is 1. 1 to any power is 1. Okay, look, simplify 24 times 2 to the power minus 9. So here is, what can we do? This is 24 and here is 2 to the power 9. This 24 we can write 24, 12, 6, 2, 3. Okay, and this one I already checked this one. This one is not a 24, it should 2 to the power 4. So look, 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power minus 9, here is the base are same, so power will be 8 for multiplication. So 2 4 plus minus 9. So this one we can write 2 to the power 4 plus minus so 9, and here is 2 to the power minus 5. It means 1 by 2 to the power 5. So answer is 1 by 32. So 1 by 32 is our answer. Okay, so this one is not 24, it should 2 to the power 4. Hope you understand this one. Simplify 3 to the power 7, divide 3 to the power 5, it equals 3. As per exponent law, we know if base are same, that time power will be subtract once we want to divide any exponent. So 7 minus 5, our answer is 7 to the power 3 to the power 2, it means 9. So number A. Okay, so last one in this video, look, we are try to learn about exponent roots and properties of number, GED Math Test. We are following McGraw-Hill education book, and this is our first part, episode 1, and our last topic is simplify 5 to the power 3, divide 5 to the power 6. Okay, so what will be our answer? This one we can write 1 divided 5, 6 minus 3, it means 1, 5 to the power 3, it means 1 by 125. Okay, so 125, number C. So no more today. Thank you very much being with me. Next video we will try to discuss about another topics of a GED math test. Thank you very much.